Hi, let's see how mommy made this delicious bun. Yummy! She put 2 eggs, 1 cup of milk, 3 spoons of brown sugar, salt. Then she mixed very well. Look at it. Now we put 2 spoons of butter, mixed very well. Mix and mix and mix. Now mommy put in a spoon of cayenne pepper. This is optional. Now we put milk mixture into the flour and mix it. Now we put a little bit of water and mix it until it's ready. Now we fry in not too hot oil. Now we keep turning so that I cannot get burned. Now it is ready and mommy going to take it out of the fire. Now you see it's ready. Now I'm going to eat a lot. Yummy. Thank you all for watching. Please follow our page. Bye. You're malicious.